Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Solana. An update was needed. I did a video yesterday in which I said that I expected a bit of a pullback, but in that video we also talked about that if Solana would break above its main resistance, 28.3, it would still get up to $30. So technically, I was actually wrong because I did not expect that. I did expect that it would get up to $30. But I thought it would be a little bit later, so that it would first drop down and then after finding some support, it would actually get that bullish breakout and rally up there. So the situation right now is different for two reasons. First of all, yesterday it was more bullish than I expected, and now it has actually found some significant resistance, which is probably caused by the resistance Bitcoin found this morning, because we all know, and I showed you that yesterday as well, Solana right now is very, very correlated to Bitcoin. The correlation is actually 95%, which is crazy. That's very high. So Solana will just follow Bitcoin. And that 5% difference in following Bitcoin is probably that it will be more bearish than Bitcoin if Bitcoin is bearish, and that it will be less bullish if Bitcoin is bullish. That's usually what's the case if the Bitcoin dominance is growing like this. All right, so what's next for Solana? Will it actually start falling from here? And that's the most important question. It's also the most difficult question. All right, Solana has been very bullish for the last couple of days, for the last weeks even, but most of that momentum has been manipulation, I think. And that doesn't matter, but here you can see most of the volume is coming from top credit, Upbit, a lot coming from 2Bit as well. Usually if a lot of volume is coming from those sources, it's manipulated. Now, that doesn't matter, all right? I don't care whether it's manipulated or not. Solana is still a great project with a great community around it. It's actually one of the projects that actually adds value and actually has utility. But that is something we should know, because that means that price is usually more volatile and unpredictable. All right, so right now, to take a look at to answer that question, whether Solana will fall or not, we see that there was a significant drop in open interest, which means that momentum has been lost for Solana, but it's not over, all right? Because it still has this major support level, technically all the way between $27 and 28.3, all right? Major support level. So as long as that level holds, Solana technically is still bullish. And the most likely scenario is still that it would get up to the next price target around 31.5 and $32. So that is what we'll see today. We will see today what Bitcoin is going to do, because Bitcoin usually from Sunday to Monday is very volatile. So if Bitcoin gets a bearish breakout, then Solana will follow that and break down below, first of all, 28.2. But probably if Solana breaks down below 28.2 and finds support at $27, while Bitcoin is bearish, Solana will also drop down towards 25.5 and 25 right here. So either this will happen, or it will hold this level and continue rallying up to 31.5 and $32. At this moment, I have to say that I think it's a little bit more likely that Solana will pull back because of the bearish momentum that we saw from Bitcoin this morning, but also because of the strong resistance level we found with Solana and because of the dropping open interest. All right, that's why I think it's a bit more likely that it will drop down. But in the end, if Bitcoin remains bullish, if Bitcoin starts testing that resistance around 30,300 again, then this will probably happen, all right? And Solana will remain bullish and it will make newer highs. If that happens, consider that I was wrong, but still, all right? That's my full analysis for Solana. Apart from that, to end this video, I also have my own premium trading group in which I share my own trades as signals, and you also gain access to an amazing community full of traders and my trading guide. So if that sounds interesting, consider joining. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.